I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use the Ravenous exotic rifle. This unique weapon features a powerful core mechanic centered around alternating your shots. When you hit an enemy's left side, you apply a debuff. Then, hitting their right side detonates it, causing explosive damage. You can build up to 5 stacks of this debuff, making each subsequent detonation incredibly potent. Mastering this rhythm is key to unlocking its full potential. To truly maximize the Ravenous's damage output, focus on a consistent rhythm of alternating your shots. Quickly switch between an enemy's left and right sides to build up those crucial debuff stacks. Always strive to reach 5 stacks before detonating, as this delivers the most devastating explosive damage. Remember, critical hit chance and critical hit damage are vital stats, as they directly boost the power of these explosive detonations, turning your shots into powerful bursts. When building around the Ravenous, prioritize gear that significantly boosts your overall weapon damage and critical hit attributes. Talents like Vigilance, which grants a 25% damage bonus, or Composure, offering 15% weapon damage while in cover, are excellent choices. Additionally, gear sets such as Striker's battle gear can further amplify your weapon performance, providing stacking damage bonuses that synergize well with the Ravenous's consistent firing pattern. These combinations ensure your detonations hit even harder. For effective combat with the Ravenous, consistent aiming practice is crucial to reliably hit specific enemy body parts. Focus on larger, slower-moving enemies, as they provide easier targets for building and detonating your 5 debuff stacks. Maintaining a medium engagement range is also beneficial, offering a balance between accuracy and sustained fire without being overwhelmed. By mastering your aim and positioning, you will transform the Ravenous into a formidable weapon on the battlefield, dominating your foes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.